Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative side in here, so I will put this one go to the left. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. And u. Sine x dx we change for negative du. Next, this one we can put negative u and negative 2u. So we can do about factorization by u. This one by negative number 2. So u minus 1, u minus 1, we can do about factorization. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over u minus number 2 and b over u minus number 1. Now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about u minus 1. So capital 8 multiplied by u minus 1. About this one, it is missing about u minus number 2. So capital B multiplied by u minus number 2. And now we need to arrange based on the terms of u. Now we need to compare coefficient. This one we have negative number 1. So this one equals to negative number 1 next to u. We don't have the numbers, so this one equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we can find the solutions of A and B. So 8 equals to negative number 2. B equals to number 1. So we put negative number 2 and number 1 go in here. So we have the final answer. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.